Program hopping is one of the biggest time, energy, and money wasters in fitness, while also being a massive drain on your potential success. And it's so detrimental because every time you're making big changes in your diet and exercise habits, you're effectively hitting the reset button on your ability to keep moving forward. Basically, you spend a lot of time and energy always preparing to get into a diet or exercise program. You're always getting ready, you're getting your ducks in a row, and right when you start to taxi down the runway, you say, yeah, let's not take off and fly anywhere, let's go back into the hangar and then start this whole process all over again. But that's not even coming close to the real reason why it is so toxic, is because yes, it prevents you from making any long-term progress. Yes, it wastes a lot of time and energy and money, but the real insidious thing about it is happening completely to your subconscious and you're not even aware of it. See, the real reason why we keep second guessing ourselves in program hopping is because we lack confidence. We lack confidence in the program or diet we're following. We lack confidence in ourselves and the ability to get the results that we want. And the more you're second guessing yourself and saying, well, maybe I need to try this thing, or maybe I need to do this other thing, you're continuing to erode your self-confidence and your ability to do it to the point where you're never going to have the ability to feel like you can actually get the results. So what can you do to break out of the cycle and actually take off and start flying? Well, the first step is to recognize that your diet and exercise program really isn't all that important. Yes, it does provide value, but no one gets the results they want specifically because of their diet or exercise program. And your diet and exercise programs are important, but only so far as they give you structure to consistently practice the habits that influence the processes that govern results, which, of course, program hopping completely mitigates all of that consistency. The majority of people who find substantial and lasting success in fitness aren't finding it because they stumbled on the one correct or optimized diet or exercise program. They're doing it because they're just using basic habits that they can maintain with relative ease, and any changes that they make are largely due to the feedback they're experiencing and then having the confidence in themselves to say, yeah, this is what works best for me, I'm gonna do that. They're not trying to hack or maximize or optimize anything. They're basically taking a look at their workout log or even paying attention to how their body feels and go, I know everybody says that exercise is the best, but I feel it so much better when I do this other exercise. And so because they have confidence in themselves and they know that other option is better for achieving their fundamental objective, they go with that, and that's how they get the better results. And sure, it's fine to have a playful approach where you're experimenting with things and you're trying out different things through trial and error. The new version of the Beautiful Strength program that I'm working on has a section where it's literally don't follow a program, just go and mess around and see what happens. But it's more important to stay focused on those fundamental objectives, because that's the thing that ultimately determines your success. You're going to get stronger if your exercises challenge your strength. You're going to build stamina if your exercises challenge your endurance. The same thing with stability and mobility, and if you want to build muscle, challenging your work capacity, pushing close to failure. You can arrange your program 100 which ways from here till Tuesday. As long as you're still achieving those basic fundamental objectives, you'll get the same results either way. And then it's just a matter of, well, what do you want to do? What works best for your schedule? And what is the easiest way for you to achieve those objectives? And most importantly, have faith in yourself, my friend, because you're the captain of the ship. Don't put your diet and exercise program in charge of your health and fitness. You be in charge of your diet and exercise program, making changes as you see fit, and boldly go forth knowing that you know how to fly. Be fit and live free.